Hi, Sarah Banas here. Simply Sarah Made Easy. I have something absolutely amazing to show you today. So, Cricut just came out with possibly the best update ever for Design Space. So, we are going to make easy peel stickers. These are the stickers that have your die cut on the outside. So, there's two cuts. There's two cut types when you're making stickers. There's die cut and there's kiss cut. A kiss cut will only cut through the sticker and not through the liner behind it. A die cut will cut through both, okay? So what the easy peel stickers are, and just so you know, so there's been a hack out there forever, for a while for this, but this is built into Design Space now. It's so easy. So what this will do, this is going to kiss cut around your sticker, and then it's going to take an offset, so a little bit of a shadow off of that, not a shadow, but it's going to take an offset off of that, and then it's going to die cut around that offset so that you have those separate stickers, and then you peel that little part away, and it makes the sticker super easy to work with for your end user. This is a huge update. So let's get started. Let's get rid of this. Let me just say, if this video is of interest to you or helpful, like the video, that helps me out a lot. But also subscribe to my channel. When you're subscribed, you'll get a notification when the new videos come out once or twice a week. Just lots of new and innovative ways to use your machines, your materials. We review all the new materials as they come out. And learning how to design for yourself. So lots of good videos on design coming up you're not going to want to miss out on. Make sure you are subscribed to get those notifications. So let's get rid of this. Okay, we can get rid of this. And one other thing real quick, join us on Facebook. I'm going to link in the video description. We have a ton of Facebook groups for crafting, for Cricut, and we have lots of sublimation, different digital design. So join us on Facebook. I'm going to link Cricut for Beginners. It's like about 800,000 members. Super friendly, super helpful. You will fit right in. So make sure you join us there. I'll link that in the video description. Okay, so I have this design set up. Bear with me on the design set. So I know this is a little bit silly, but kids love food stickers. They love foods, little fake food stuff. I don't know why, but they do. And so this is just going to be a little gift for a friend of mine. Um, so, and I'll link this in the video. Actually, what I'll do is I'll link where you can get all kinds of designs for free or very inexpensively. I'll link that in the video description. So, okay, so I have all of these selected. The first thing I'm going to do, so depending on when you watch this video, right now this is brand new, so it's still in beta, I guess. So I'm going to show you how to get into beta. Right now I'm in beta right now, but I'll show you how to toggle back and forth between beta and live on Design Space. When you watch this video, it may just be live and it may just be in the live version and you won't have to. But for right now, so to go from beta to live, you click on your name up here in Design Space. Okay, and then you go to Settings. And then in Settings right here, it's beta and live. So I'm already in beta. You just click it over to beta, click Done, and then it's going to update. Now, one thing to be aware of is if you have a project that you're working on, make sure you save it before you switch from beta to live, or from live to beta, because it will restart Design Space. So, okay, so now let's talk about these. So right now, these are all separate images, and I can individually, like I can select just one, and then I can go to create sticker right here, and then I can go to Kiss Cut. And now on the border, you have a few options here. For standard, it's a little bit larger. Now this is your border that will get kiss cut around. So that will stay with your end sticker, okay? I like the thin better on this. And then you can make that border any color you want, okay? I'm going to keep it white. Okay, and now this is what you want to do. So you are in the Kiss Cut area, but then you want to select slide over for die cut, because what's going to happen is it's now going to give you, it's going to put a die cut in there also. So just give it a minute to load. It's taking a second, but it's going to add on the die cut onto there. So now when I click apply, what's going to happen is it's going to have, this will have that Kiss Cut, and then it's going to have a die cut on the outside of that. So give it just 1 second. So here you can see now it has the die cut on the outside of that, right? So what's going to happen is it'll Kiss Cut this inside line, and then it'll die cut the outside line. So we can do each one of those individually, or what we can do is we can select all of these, and now we can go to create sticker, and now we can do them all at once. But before we do that, I want to show, so here, I'll show you real quick. Go to thin, and we have it on white, click die cut, and now it has them all individually, right? But what I want to show you real quick first. If you have them too close, they will automatically combine those stickers, okay? Oops, I clicked the wrong one. This is if you just want die cut and you don't want to add that, the easy peel sticker. So for easy peel, again, you click Kiss Cut first, and then thin, white, select that. And now do you see how these are too close, so it automatically made it a singular sticker? That you want to avoid that, obviously, unless you want it to be a singular sticker. Like on my bacon, I want those all to be one. So I'm going to move this back over. And the bacon, I'm actually going to shimmy those a little closer, because that way I'll get those exactly how I want them. Oops. Okay. So now I'm going to select all, create sticker, Kiss Cut, thin, white, die cut edge, apply. Okay, now we are all set. So I have to make this a little bit smaller. So with that selected, I'm going to go to width. I'm going to go to 7.5 on my width. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead. We're going to click Make It. Let's see, maybe like 7.4. That should be good. And now, let's see. I'm going to auto resize it. Okay, so now I'm going to click make, and I'm going to show you how to get the absolute best, the best quality stickers you can get, the best quality print you can get from your printer, no matter what it is. So the printer I'm using today, this is the least expensive inkjet printer that was on Amazon on the day I bought it, and I did that on purpose so that I can show you guys how great of a print you can get from a super cheap printer. It's all in the settings. So, and I'll link this printer in the video description also. So this is how you do it. Click continue. And now click send to printer. But on this box, what you're going to do is right here where it says system dialog box, slide that over. And now click print. And what's going to happen, your system dialog box will come up. So this is your system dialog box. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to select the printer you're going to use. Okay, so the printer that we're going to use, see I slide it over this way, is this right here. And then you're going to click preferences, okay? So now when you click preferences, yours may not look exactly like this. Like on Epson, the screen is going to be blue, but it's going to be all of the same information, just maybe not laid out the same way. You'll have these tabs up on top. One of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the paper type. There's a few different ways that choices that people will make here. A lot of times you'll use matte presentation paper or premium presentation. I'm going to use the other photo inkjet papers. That gives me a really clean image. This is just matte sticker paper we're going to use, but it gives me a really clean image even on that. So, and then go down to print quality, and you're going to want to change that to best. Those are two things you want to make sure. If you're on an Epson, you'll also, when you go over to advanced or paper quality, I don't remember which one it's on, but I think it's under advanced. You'll also see bidirectional printing. Make sure that's clicked off. Okay, so paper type, print quality, bidirectional printing off. This is good. In my advanced, I have print max DPI. I'll click that. So you just want to get the best print that your printer can do, okay? So now I'm going to click print. I'm going to wait a second. I have to go load my sticker paper onto my printer. We'll get it printed. We'll get it loaded onto the mat. We'll get it cut. And then we'll take a look at how great these stickers are. Okay, so here is our print. It just came out of the printer. You can see how incredibly good this print is. And again, incredibly cheap printer. I'll link that in the video description. I'll link this this paper, this sticker paper that I use too. This is just inexpensive matte sticker paper that I get on Amazon. So, and you can use gloss, you can use gloss, you can use laminate overlays to get the holographic. There's a lot of different options for stickers, but this is just an inexpensive matte sticker paper that I like. So I'll link that. I'll link the printer. So now let's go ahead. Let's go back over to Design Space. We'll send this to our Cricut and we'll get it cut. Okay, so now what we want to do, I'm going to select my Maker 3. That's what we're cutting this on. And you can do this on any of the Cricuts that can make stickers, that can do print then cut, which would be Explore, Explore 2, Explore 3, the Explore Air, the Joy Extra, not the regular Joy, but the Joy Extra, the Maker 3, and the Venture. So I have my Maker 3 selected. Now I'm going to click Browse All Materials, and then I'm going to type in sticker. Okay, and this is the one you want right here for this. Okay, so for this particular, and for most, I would assume, basic sticker papers, it's going to be the no liner printing, first one. Click done. Okay, and now this is where you can adjust. If yours is a little bit different and you're not getting a perfect cut, you can adjust the pressure for both the kiss cut and for the die cut. For the die cut, I'm going to click more just because that way I am sure to get it all the way through. Okay, so, all right, so we're all set. Let's go over to the machine. We'll get this loaded and we'll get it cut and we'll take a look at these stickers. Okay, so here we are at my machine, ready to go. You can see that this is blinking, so that means that that's ready. I have loaded the sticker paper onto my mat. I've loaded it square to the sides. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to put this in. Hold it taut, not like pushing it in, but taut while you're pushing the button. Now it's going to pull the mat in. It's going to read it. Make sure you have clearance behind your machine. Okay, and now this is going to flash the arrow. Click the arrow, and now it's going to bring it in and it's going to cut it. So what's going to happen is it's going to first do the kiss cut. Well, first it's going to read the registration marks, and that's going to tell it where to cut. And then once it's read the registration marks, it's going to go back through and it's going to kiss cut all of them. And then it will come back and it will die cut all of them, okay? So I'm not going to make you sit for all of it. We'll let it kiss cut the first couple ones so that you can see that. And then once it's kiss cut the first couple of ones, I'll stop the video and I'll bring you back at die cutting just so you can see it die cut a couple. And then we'll go over to the craft desk and we will take a look at these. Okay, so here we go with the kiss cutting. It's 1, 2. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the video here. I will bring you back at die cutting, and then we'll get them off the mat. Okay, so now it has kiss cut all of them. You can see the kiss cut, and that is a perfect cut. You can see that my alignment is perfect. If you're unfamiliar with how to get perfect alignment, that's in calibrating your machine. I do have a video on calibration. Make sure you check that out if you're not getting a perfect cut. Super easy, and it gives you, it's just really easy. So you can see now that it is die cutting. You see that it's cut and then die cut. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the video out, and I will bring you back at my craft desk and we'll take these off. Okay, so here we are. Let's go ahead. First thing we'll do is we will peel this off of here. So this is going to give us all of our individual stickers, right? Super, super perfect cut. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to peel these off. You want to make sure that you are tipping your mat and then lifting, not peeling, so that your stickers don't end up curled, okay? So now, this is how I do it. I peel my sticker up just a little bit, okay? And then I get underneath there with my, this is just a weeding pen. I just want to get that up just a little tiny bit. You know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the weeding pen and I'm just going to, just to get it started. So I just pricked it through there and just to get that started. And that's all there is to it. So you peel that right off of there. And then there is your easy peel sticker. How fantastic is that? And then you can drop these in with your packages. You know, like I said, they're fun for kids. You can give them as gifts. You can sell them, whatever you want to do. It just makes it look way more professional and super easy for your end customer to use or end user to use. And that's it. That's all there is to Easy Peel stickers. So excited about this. Like I said, make sure that you do join us on Facebook. I'll link it in the video description. You'll love it there. A link where you can get a ton of designs, super cheap or free. I'm going to link our Facebook group, the designs. I'll link the printer. This is a great printer for next to nothing. Look at how good of a print that is. And I mean, like I said, so just as long as you know how to manage your settings, you can get an absolutely amazing print out of it. So I'll link that in the video description if you don't have your own printer. I'll link the sticker paper. Like the video if it was helpful. That does help me out a lot. But also subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss some of the videos that are coming up on design. Lots of good ways learning how to design for yourself and make your own ideas come to life. So that's it. I hope you have a great day. Bye.